Hi everyone, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is the 19th of November 2020, Thursday. My name is Yvonne. Now let's look at the Aussie-US technical analysis. The Australian dollar rose against the US dollar on Thursday, increasing the price of the Aussie-US dollar to more than 73 cents ahead of the release of the Australian employment change news. As we are speaking, the Aussie-US pair affirms around 0.7302 with a few resistance levels coming ahead. The first resistance will be 0.7339, which is the high of November 17, 2020. The second resistance will be 0.7400, which is the psychological support. And the third resistance will be 0.7412, which is the major horizontal resistance area. Now on the downside, the price of the Aussie-US pair may find some critical support levels, preventing it from falling below the state levels. The first support will be 0.7238, which is the low of November 6th this year. The second support will be 0.7200, which is the psychological number. And the third support will be 0.7181, which is the 38.2% Fibonacci level support. Alright, now let's look at the Australia employment change news. The Australian Bureau of Statistics plans to release numbers concerning the Australian unemployment change rate today. According to Economist View, the employment change rate news registered a reading of negative 30k in October as compared to the reading of negative 29.5k in the month before. The Australian employment rate change reflects the number of people with jobs in Australia over the given time. Increasing numbers usually worth appreciating since it suggests an improvement in expected consumer spending patterns in the coming days. Generally speaking, higher than expected numbers anticipates a bullish market for the Aussie-US pair and vice versa. In conclusion, considering the price movement of Aussie-US pair over the past few days, buying the pair around current levels might help to generate some short-term profits. Alright, now let's look at the pound-yen technical analysis. Britain pound slid down against Japanese yen on Thursday, decreasing the price of the pound-yen pair to less than 138 ahead of the release of UK retail sales exclude fuel news. As we're speaking, the pound-yen pair hovers around 137.74. Should the price continue to drop, it is likely to find some critical support levels, helping it to sustain above the listed price tags. The first support will be 137.17, which is the major horizontal support level. And the second support will be 136, which is the psychological level. And the third support will be 135.89, which is the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. Now on the upside, the price of the pound-yen pair may find some critical resistance levels. The first resistance will be 138.47, which is the 38.2% Fibonacci level. And the second resistance will be 139, which is the psychological number. And the third resistance will be 139.98, which is the confluence of a trend line and a major horizontal resistance area. Now let's look at UK retail sales exclude fuel news. The National Statistics anticipates releasing numbers for the UK retail sales exclude fuel on Friday. Economists believe the news of UK retail sales exclude fuel registered a reading of 0.1% in October as compared to the reading of 1.6% in the month before. The stats for the retail sales news exclude fuel reflects the total worth of sales made by the retail sector of UK over the period under consideration. It is worth mentioning here that the stats of the retail sales doesn't include fuel prices. UK retail sales figure is an important economic indicator since it reveals the likelihood of consumer spending behavior. Generally speaking, the higher reading suggests a bullish market for the pound-yen pair ahead and vice versa. In conclusion, given the price movement of the pair over the last few days, selling it around the current level might be a sensible trading decision in short to medium-term trading. So this is the end of the analysis for today. Thanks for watching, and please always bear in mind to trade with your mind, not with your heart. Alright, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also follow our Facebook and Instagram at Forex Decoded. And also, don't forget to hit the like button and share to your friends. See you next time. Bye!